Welcome to the tutorial Zoller TMS interface. Import easily and for free individual articles, or the complete catalog program with or without cutting data in your Zoller TMS database. INOCAM.inovatools.eu. The Start page is the Interfaces tab. There you can find the Zoller TMS interface in the Tool Management area. Please select the checkbox to go to the Tool Finder. On the Tool Finder tab, you first have the option of using the article number search, if you are already familiar with the INOVATools article numbers. Enter an article group or a complete article number. If you enter another number, it will be added to the list of search results. Afterwards you can select or deselect all or individual articles. If you want to create application-related tool lists, then use the complex search and start with the technology checkboxes. Select a material, a tool category, other features, or dimensions. For example, you can export a tool list especially for a material to be machined. Or would you like to import the complete catalog program into your tool database? Then select the entry All. To do this, split the 4 technologies into 4 XML files, to keep the download limit. Transfer the list from the Tool Finder to the download page. If you want to add the INOCAM cutting data to the export, activate the checkbox. You can now delete individual articles, entire article groups, or all articles. Then click on the Download button to get the zip file to your download folder. Now start the Zoller TMS and open the Single Components, Import, Export, module. On the Import Settings tab, select the Zoller Zip filter. Click on the Import Data button and use the Explorer to locate the downloaded zip file. After confirmation, the import may take some time depending on the amount of data. Switch to the Single Components module. In the ID number menu you can see that the data was imported with the INOVATools folder structure divided into the technologies: drilling, milling, reaming, and tapping. This is followed by the categories, article groups, and finally the article numbers. The data package contains the following graphics: a tool photo per article group, a DXF according to ISO 13399 with a connection point AP1, and a step file according to DIN 4003. In addition, an SVG contour is generated. On the tab Article Characteristic bar, the imported characteristics according to DIN 4000 are located. From this, a graphic view is generated by Zoller TMS. If you have selected the cutting data in INOCAM, then the technology data has been imported. You can switch between finishing and roughing in this article. Note the designation and the associated machining type. INOCAM, the portal of digital twins and technology data. Use this free service from INOVATools and save a lot of time. Thank you and goodbye.